Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to calculate battery wear on a Windows laptop. Knowing your battery's health is crucial for maintaining your laptop's performance and deciding if it's time for a replacement. Let's get started. First, we'll use a built-in Windows tool to generate a battery report. Here's how. Open the command prompt in search bar. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. Power CFEG, battery report. This command will generate a battery report and save it as an HTML file. The file path will be displayed in the command prompt. Copy and pasting the file path into your browser's address bar. Now that the battery report is open, let's find the key details. Scroll down to the Installed Batteries section. Here, you'll see two important values. Design capacity. This is the original capacity of your battery when it was new. Full charge. Capacity. This is the current maximum capacity of your battery. To calculate battery wear, use this formula. For example, my battery design capacity is 42K, and its full charge capacity is 35K. The calculation would be design capacity minus full charge capacity. Now, the result must be divided by design capacity. Then, the result should be multiplied by 100. This means my battery has 17 wear and is operating at 83 of its original capacity. And that's it. Now you know how to calculate battery wear on a Windows laptop. To keep your battery healthy, try to avoid keeping your laptop plugged in all the time and aim to keep the charge level between 20% and 80%. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.